In this video, we will show how to compute the slope of a line given 2 points. Here's the formula for slope, which is the ratio of rise over run, designated with the letter m for slope. We use the following formula, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, to find the rise, and in the denominator, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is the difference in the x coordinates, which is going to calculate the run. Let's take a look at computing the slope then for a particular line. Here we're given the points 3, 0 and 4, 4. This line will eventually run between the first, as we see, but if we extend it on down infinitely, it will eventually run through the third quadrant. Lines running through the first and third have a positive slope, so we have something in mind as far as what our slope should look like, at least sign-wise. And replacing those values in the equation, we're trying to determine that change in rise from one point to the run to the second point. So to calculate the rise, we need to find the difference between those y values from the 2 points that are given. The y values given here are 4 and 0, so we'll subtract those two, over the ratio for run, which is the change in the x values. Because we started with the y coordinate from this higher point, we will also start with its companion x coordinate to begin with. So for our denominator, our x sub 2 will be the 4 value here minus the 3 value from the other point. Simplifying this ratio, we end up with a 4 over 1. In other words, a positive 4 slope. There is a change of positive 4 rise for every 1 that we run. Now, there was no rule that said we had to take the point on the farther right as our subscripted 2 point and subtract those coordinates from this point on the left. We could just as equally have started here, and to show that, nothing changes though for our formula. It's still the difference in the y values in the numerator for the description of the rise. So starting here with our y value, 0 minus 4 over the run, which is the change in the x. Because we started with our y value 0 here, we will start with its corresponding x value for finding the run in this slope. So a 3 minus 4. Simplifying, we end up with a 0 minus 4 is negative 4. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Simplifying, a negative over negative results in that positive 4. Same slope with different order in our pairs.